This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now.
My voice is audible now, girls.
Yes, ma'am.
And then what about the screen? Excel screen is visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
So, hmm. So I was explaining to you this pivot table. So now, just to, after the arranging the data, you can close this panel. Pivot table field panel is there. No? You can close this window, girls. Okay. In the filter, you have the area. That one you can click on the filter button, and then you can select all area. Select all area, and then OK you do. For all the area, the BlackBerry phones or 64 phones we have sold. Motorola 23, Nokia 37, then Samsung 14. Okay, girls, now what I'm doing here, instead of the Nokia, I'm going to change it to the iPhone. Instead of the Nokia, which phone I'm going to take here? iPhone. And then sales, I'm going to show it here 89. And then one more phone, same thing only, iPhone only. Here I'm going to take here 1, 2, 3, 123. And then here one more iPhone I'm going to take 59. Girls, instead of the Nokia, so I have changed to the iPhone. Is the data is it is updated here? Check it out and tell me. Is the data is updated here?
No, ma'am.
No. So now, if you want to get the related tools of pivot table, I should keep the cursor inside of the pivot table or outside of the pivot table. What I want to do?
Inside.
Yeah, good. Inside of the pivot table, go to the Analyze tab. In the Analyze tab, there is a button, Refresh button. You have to click on Refresh option. Alt F5. Alt F5 is the shortcut key to refresh the data. See, I am going to click now. Whatever the changes I have made here, automatically that will be going to update in the pivot table by using the option refresh button. Alt F5 is the shortcut key. So it is loading, wait for some time. Someone is talking, you have to mute it yourself. For others, it will be disturbance. Mute it yourself, ma. Don't talk. Yeah, girls, see now it is updated. So instead of the Nokia, which phone is updated for you? iPhone. Now, can you tell me which phone is the highest sales? Which phone is the highest sales?
iPhone.
iPhone.
iPhone. Yeah, correct. For the Kabanpete, the iPhones are sold. For the Kabanpete area, iPhones are sold. Just select the Kabanpete and then OK. Yeah, girls, 123 number of what is that phones we have sold, ma. Okay. And then again you click, check it out for MG Road. I don't know. No, no of iPhones. Only Samsung phone sold. Okay, na. SR Nagar you select and then OK you do. iPhone, yeah. For SR Nagar, the phones we have sold 148. And then Wilson Garden, no iPhones we have not sold. Which area is the highest sales of iPhone? Kabanpete or Kabanpete or SR Nagar, ma? Which area, yeah?
Kabanpet.
Kabanpete.
Kabanpete.
Kabanpete 123. Remember, okay, na? iPhones are 123. Kabanpete. Wilson Garden, I'll select. Sorry, no Wilson Garden, no.
148 SR.
SR Nagar, I should select. 148. Yeah, now you tell me. SR Nagar is highest, Kabanpete is
SR.
highest. SR Nagar. Good. So got it now how to update the data from this table to that table by using which one? Analyze tab, refresh. Just again filter button you click, all area you select, all area you select it, and okay you do. See, all areas are showing, all areas. And then which is the next option I should explain for you? Change data source. So note down this, change data source. Change data source. Change the data source for the pivot, for this pivot table. Girls, now here is the which data you have, it is showing in the pivot table. Which data is displaying on the screen? Is it showing export data is there, or cell phone data you have? In cell phone data is there, yeah. So now I want to interchange the data. Instead of this cell phones data, I should be take it what? Export data. Here I have the below, I have some what is that? Export data. The fruits, vegetables we have exported for Germany, France, China, Italy, Brazil. For these countries, we have exported some fruits and vegetables. That data should be displayed here, girls. So keep the cursor inside the pivot table. Don't keep the cursor outside. Again, I'm repeating. Keep it inside pivot table. Click on Analyze tab. Change data source. Okay, girls. I don't want this data. Just click on the drop down list. Click on the drop down list. You have to select this table now. You have to select this table. Exported data is the no that table, you have to select it and then come back and then make it okay. Now what I want to do, I want to arrange the data now. So again, analyze tab, field list. See here, now I'm arranging the product name. I'm going to put it in the row wise. The category I am going to put it in the filter. The amount is there, no, that is values. I should be put it always in values only. The country one, I'll be going to put it in columns. See now how the data it's showing for you like this. Now you have cell phone data or exported data you have in the sheet, in the same place, in the same location. Which data you have, girls? Which exported data is there, or cell phone data you have?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Can you repeat this? Change data
I want.
source.
Yeah, yeah. I'll show you once. Sorry. Control Z. Control Z. Control Z. Hmm. Now, which data you have in the sheet? That one you tell me. Which data you have? Exported data or cell phone data you have now? Cell phone data you have. So keep the cursor inside the pivot table, go to the Analyze tab, click on Change Data Source. So you need to select the down one. This table you have to select. Don't select this one, cell phone data. Okay. The exported data is there, no? That one we need to select it. Select this table, the whole thing you select it. Come back, click on this one, come back, and then OK you do. Click on OK. Now, again, Analyze tab, field list is there for arranging the data. From the pivot table fields only, we can arrange the, what is that, the data. So now, girls, the product name, I'll be going to put it in the rows. Category, I'm going to put it in the filters. The amount always should be in values. The country, I'm going to put it in the column. Or you can make it vice versa also. In the column, you have country. In the rows, you have product name. So you can interchange it. The country you can bring it in the rows. The product name you can put it in the columns. Like that you can interchange it. Okay. Then you close it. So now you have in this location. Now you have cell phone data you have, or exported data you have. Which data it is showing on the screen on this sheet? Which one you have, ma?
Export data.
Export data. So what you understood from the change data source? Tell me, any one of you. What you
The
understood
cell
from
phone
this?
data will be lost and then export data will be
Ah,
replaced.
yeah. In that place, there will be no cell phone data. Instead of that place, there will be exported data. So please don't talk. I was telling you past time. So I told you had to mute it yourself, girls. Otherwise, it will be
Excuse me, ma'am.
it will be disturbance. Yes, ma.
ನಾನು ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು.
Your voice is breaking.
Ma'am, when I do change data source, it is
Hmm.
saying
Hmm.
me that the first table cannot overlap the second one.
Uh-huh. The first one you can't take. Any one data you can see. That's all. Any one data you can see. You can observe on this Excel sheet.
But ma'am, it's
Nothing.
happening for you, right?
What, ma?
Ma'am, the one
Hmm.
which you did now, change data
Hmm.
source, it is not
Hmm.
happening. It is saying you
For
cannot
you.
overlap table to pivot tables.
See, now I'll do it. I'll keep the cursor inside the table. Change data source. See, I now I want cell phone data only now. You had to select it everything properly. See the screen? What I'm doing? You should select the data properly and then OK you do. Then analyze tab field list is there. Then you select it however you want. See the cell phone I'll be going to put it in the column. See now what happened? There is no exported data. Instead of that, I have cell phone data. So while selecting the data, you should be careful. You have to select the whole data properly. So understood no? Change data source. The next one I'm going to explain you insert slicer. Okay. Just click on the slicer one. See here I'm going to take your the sales one. Cell phones area sales. I'm not selecting the date. The date is not required for me. That's why I'm not taking. Only three fields I'm selecting: area, cell phone, and then sales. Click on OK. Some windows are displaying on the screen. No, this is what slicer box. What is this box? What should I want to tell for this window? Slicer box. Slicer. This is what slicers which helps you to filter the data. So you want to change the for the slicer box, just place the cursor. Don't keep the cursor outside. Place the cursor on the what is that slicer box, and then apply the color whichever you want. The blue one I have selected. For this one red, and then for this green. Like this, I have how many slicers I have? Three slicers, three slicer box I have. Just I'm going to click on SR Nagar. Automatically in the SR Nagar, so phones we have sold. Phones we have sold 59 and then 89. 59 and then 89 we have sold. Just click on MG Road. In the MG Road, Samsung 8 number. See, it is highlighting, it is filtering. The data is filtering. Just click on Wilson Garden. In the Wilson Garden, BlackBerry, Samsung phones we have sold 616 for 22. Are you
Ma'am, can you
understanding,
repeat
girls?
again how to do the slicer thing?
Ah, right. Now what you have to do means inside or outside the cursor, inside of
Inside.
the go to the analyze, you have to go for the insert slicer. In that insert slicer, I'm going to select here the area cell phone sales, or you people you can select whatever you want. Okay, but I am selected here three fields: areas, cell phones, then sales, then okay would do. So you will get three slicer box it is showing on the Excel sheet. Wait one second, I'll arrange it properly. Hmm. And then I'll change this color. I don't want light colors, the dark colors I need. then for this one also. So now I'll be going to click on iPhone ma. One slicer box is there. No, what is that slicer box? Cell phone. In the cell phone slicer box, just you select it iPhone. See, automatically the pivot table is also a filter, and then here also it is highlighted. In the slicer box also it is highlighted. So iPhones we have sold for which areas? It is highlighted. No, tell me any one of you. iPhone is highlighted. For which areas we have sold? Kabanpeti and then
Kaban,
Nagar and
SR
Kaban.
Nagar.
Resanagar. Okay. Now I'll click on BlackBerry. Can you tell me which areas we have sold? It is highlighted now. Here also it is filter. Here also it is highlighted.
Wilson Garden and Kaban Pit.
Just click on Samsung. For the which areas we have sold that.
MG Road and Wilson Garden.
Wilson Garden. Absolutely correct. Now you click on clear. Clear option is there. You click on here. Then girls, I don't know. 22 we have made sales, no? For which area, which phone? I don't know anything on that. Just you click on 22. Automatically it will be going to highlight Wilson Garden. Which phone is that? BlackBerry. So now you understood the topic of slicer. Clearly understood. Yes or no, ma? Is there any doubts on the slicer? Now I'll click on clear. Then it will be going to display everything. 16 if I click, automatically which are the things are highlighted in the area, which one is highlighted for the 16? Wilson Garden area. And then for the phones, which is the highlighted one? BlackBerry. Even in the field, even in the pivot table also it is showing a BlackBerry 16 phones. That is for which area? Wilson Garden. Click on MG Road. For the MG Road, no sales only. So see, it is not highlighted anything. Clear it. Sorry, it is there, yeah. For MG Road, 8 sales we have done. That is Samsung. Girls, you understood the topic of this? Then I'm moving for the next one. Someone asked me to repeat this. That's why I'm told you. It is clear now for you. If I ask anything, you should respond, girls.
Yes,
At
ma'am.
least. Hmm. So now, ma, the next topic is insert timeline. Insert timeline. For the insert timeline, only it will be going to support only the date. So in the which table, the above table or the below table, we have the date. For which table we have the date mark? Can you tell me? For exported data or for the cell phones data, we have date. Which table
Cell
we
phone
having
data.
date? So, yeah, cell phone data we have date. But in the pivot table, is there date? It is there. Date it is showing on the screen in the pivot table. Area is there. Sales are there, and then cell phones are there. Only we have selected only this much of data. We have not taken the date. Actually, now what I'm doing, I'm going to take it as date also. I'm going to including the date in the pivot table. How? I want to rearrange the data again. Keep the cursor inside of the pivot table. Then I should go for analyze tab. Field list. Yeah, don't forget this for arranging. If you want to make any arrange, if you want to make any arrangement, so from the field list only it is possible. Click on the field list. Click on your field list. From this field list only we can arrange the data. Okay na? The date one I'll be going to put it in the rows ma. Okay, so where the date it is there, in the which field it is there, it is in row or it is in column, it is in row. The date it is in row. Just close this window after arranging. Yeah, see, 2020, 2021, like this. Okay. So for the 2 years, the sales we have made 360. What is the for the 2020-21? What is the sales we have made? Total sales we have made for 2 years. 360 phones we have sold. Okay. Just keep the cursor inside of this. Again, go to the analyze timeline. Insert timeline. You click on this. I told you already. Timeline will supports you only the date, not other than that. Okay. So it is not see, one second, again keep the cursor, timeline. See girls, it is not displaying area, cell phone, sales. It will display only the date. Timeline will supports you only date. Just click on this. Okay, you do it. Now see, according to the date wise, month wise, year wise, quarter wise, I'm filtering the data. Just you girls, you click on here. For this one, you want to change the color, just place the cursor on the timeline. Don't keep the cursor outside, just place the cursor on timeline, and then please change the color whichever you want. Yeah. Now girls, instead of month, I am going to select it first years. Select it years. Actually, in my data, which records, which years data records I have, 2021 is there. Okay, just click on 20. So in the 2020, the sales we have made for how many? 240 sales we have done. And then 2021 year, 120. Now can you tell me, 2020 is the highest sales or 21 is the highest sales? Which year is the highest sales? See the pivot table and then tell me. 2020 is this much of sales and 2021 is this much of sales, 120. So I will tell you 2020 in the year 240 is the highest sales. Okay, I am going to take 2020 only. In that year, I am going to select it now. Month. In the January, any sales we have made? Of course, the sales we have made for only 6. In the February, any sales? No sales, girls. The records, it's not showing anything. March, April, May, June, 2020. Yeah, yeah. In the June month, 2020, the sales of iPhones we have sold 123. 123. What is that? iPhones we have sold. Okay. In the year 2020, June month. July, is there any sales? No, nothing. August, yeah, 89 phones, iPhones. September month, no sales. October month, no sales. November, in the year end, December, yeah, 22 phones. Blackberry, that is. Are you understanding, girls, what I'm doing here? Again, I'll click on 2020 January month. But now I want to find out in the which date. January, it means in the January month, in the which dates the sales we have made. Means January 1st, January 2nd, January 3rd, like that I should be find out according to the date wise. So now you have to change to the date wise, day wise. Click on day wise. January 1st, yeah, 6 numbers. January 2nd, no sales. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, no, nothing. In the January 1st date, Jan 1st itself, the sales we have done. 31st of January, any sales? Nothing. February 1st, nothing. I think July. In the July, I think we made sales. I'll pull it fast. Yeah, July. Yeah, 19th of July, 20th, 12th of July, 8th of July, 9th, 10th. Mhm. I think July 1st, nothing. 2, 3, 4. Wait, yeah, one second, I'll check. Month 2020, April, May, June. Okay. June month. In the June month 2020, we have made the sales. I don't know which date is this. 1st June, 2nd June, I don't know. That's why I'm going to take now day wise. June 1st, no. 2, 3rd, 4, 5, 6, 5th of June. Yes, girls, I find out here 5th of June 2020, we have sold which one? iPhone 123 numbers. Which phones we have made sales? iPhones 123 in the which month? June. In the which year? 2020, 5th of June. Just clear it. Everything will be going to display now. The now final one, quarters. Just go to the quarters. I'm going to take 2020 only. First 3 months. First 3 months means January, February, March. In the first 3 months, so only the sales are how much? Only 6. Next 3 months, Oh, 123. Next 3 months means January, February, March. April, May, June. April, May, June. In this month, the sales we have made 123. Next third 3 months, 89. Next November means October, November, December. October, November, December. For these months, the sales we have made 22. We want to find out for 2020-21. First 3 months, no sales. Second 3 months, sales 11. Next, the third, what is that? Sales, how much it is showing? 109. And then whatever the October, November, last 3 months, no sales in the 2021. Just you clear it now. Clear on, click on this. Everything will be going to display 2021. Both it is showing. So, what you understood in the means in the timeline? What you understood, girls, from the timeline? What you understood? Tell me fast, girls. You should respond if I ask any questions. Put it in the chat box. What you understood from the timeline? Fast. Put it in the chat box. What is the use of timeline? Arrange the data based on date. Vaishnavi. Good. Only is Vaishnavi is attending for the class. No one else. Achana. We can observe the sales level in each month, year, or date. Good. Yeah. Good, girls. So now I want to take out the screenshot of this. So how did I want to take the screenshot of the screen in the Excel? Click on this. Actually, available windows, if you go, entire screen can be taken. Okay. If I go for available windows, the entire screen can be taken, girls. Just click on available windows. Yeah, automatically see the screenshot. See, I'll minimize this. I'll minimize the screen. It is fully maximized. See, whole screen Excel of the background screen, what you have, that is captured for you. Okay. The entire screen can be taken from the which one? Which option is that? Available windows. Okay, right. In case if you want to take only the selected screen, the selected one, then you have to go for screen slipping. Click on this option. See, automatically Excel will be going to minimize here on the right side. So for me it is showing chat box. I want to take the I want to capture only the chat box window. Okay, see, I'm going to select only this much. See, girls, it is showing you only the selected one or whole screen. From which option you can take entire screen, or from the which option you can take the selected one? Answer to my question in the chat box. Put it in the chat box fast. From which option can be taken full screen, the whole screen? The another one, from the which option you can take only the selected screen? Only the selected things can be captured. Answer it fast. Selected screen. Yeah, good. Which screen can take entire thing can be captured? Good. Available windows. Good, ma Channa. Yeah. So understood, girls. So illustrations. See this. If you go for available windows, you can capture of the Excel background screen. The whole thing you can take. The selected one, if you want, you have to go for the option screen slipping. Okay, now. Yeah. So now come to the topic chart. So actually in the Excel, can you tell me which version is this? Go to the file. To find out this version of Excel, we need to go for 1 second. To find out the Excel version. How to find out the Excel version? Yeah. Hmm. So to find out the Excel version, go to account, file tab, account. Oh, which version is this? Mhm. Wait, Markles. Windows R, type Excel. 2019, yeah. See, while opening only, it will be going to display. See, you have to see fast. See on the screen, 2019 version. This is okay. Or else you can find out from here also. File tab, account. Yeah. So which version we people are using? 2019. Actually, 2019 is the latest in MS Office. Which is the latest version in the MS Office? 2019. Okay, now. Yeah. So now what should I want to do means I should be explain with you different type of chart in the Excel. What are the different types of charts available in 2019? Go to the all charts, column, line, pie, bar, area, XY, map, stock, surface, radar, tree map, sunburst, histogram, box and Vixer, waterfall, funnel, and combo. Combo chart is what? Combination of two different type of chart. What is combo? Two different combination chart is nothing but combo. Okay. So these are the charts are available in 2019. So to what is chart? What is graph and chart? Graphical representation. What is graph and chart, girls? Graphical representation. Um, yeah. 1 second. I'll open my file. Girls, I'm going to explain for you tree map chart now. Okay, na? I have some small data here. Population. India, this much of population is there. In the China country, this much of Germany, France, Italy, Brazil. So this much of populations it is there. Okay. So I should be find out which in country is the highest population in the graph. You had to select the data first. Go to the insert. So I told you which chart I want to plot for you. Tree map chart. It is there. Yeah, of course it is there, girls. Here. Click on here, ma. Click on the drop down list. In the drop down list, you have sunburst. Also, you can take, ma. Otherwise, you can go for this is what tree map. This chart is available only in the 2019 version. Just you click on the tree map chart. Just click on it. Just minimize the screen once. Just minimize it. Yeah. Now, from the graph, from the chart, anyone can analyze easily. So, which country? Can you tell me which country is the highest population in the chart? See the chart and then tell me.
Italy.
Italy, correct. Which country is the second highest population? Second highest, China. And then which country is the lowest population in the world? Lowest population, is it showing? Which one? Which country is that? For the pink one, France.
France.
France country. Okay, now girls, if you want to get more tools on the chart, I should be place the cursor on chart or outside of the chart. So tell
Inside the chart, ma'am.
inside. Place the cursor on chart. Then you will get tools, chart tools. See, format, the last one is the format, the last but second one chart design. So you need to go for chart design, girls. Which color you want, you can change it. For the which color you want, you can apply it. So you people will not like this color. If you want to change the color, in case if you want to change the color, go to the page level, there are themes option. From the themes you can change the colors, the themes pattern, everything. Hmm. I have selected some different theme. Okay. See, again, place the cursor on the chart. You will get extra tools on this. Go to the chart design. See the colors. This color you want, you can apply. The second one, the third pattern, the fourth one. Monochromatic, if you want to apply, monochromatic means single color. Mono, single. But you should understand from the shadings. See. But I don't want this. The second one, colorful is the no, I'll take this. See, each and every country is highlighted with some different color. Okay. So how to change the color themes, the pattern designs, where you want to go and change, in the which tab it is available, page level themes. Okay. Again, come to the chart design. Just click on the drop down list. You will get more options. So you want to apply this design, you have to select it. Style 3, style 4, style 5. So whichever you want, you can apply. I'll take this one. The last but second one, style 8 is that is looking good. I'll take this. For these things, see India, the blue, China, green, Germany, some peach color. Like that. The thing is then what should I want to tell for this legend key entry? What should I want to tell for this box, ma? See, the each and every country is indicating showing in the color. For that, we had to tell legend entry. Which entry is that? Legend entry. Okay, now. Then I want to give the title of the chart, population, in the capital letter. I'm going to give here population. Yeah. And then girls, I want to change only for the color for Germany. You need to click on Germany. Double click on Germany. Don't click on once. If you click on once, only the chart will be going to select it. Again, you click on one more time. Then the rest of the things will be going to unselected. Only the Germany part portion will be going to selected. So now you tell me to select the particular one in the chart. To select the particular chart in the graph, you need to double click or one click.
Double click.
Double click. Good. One,
Double click.
yes. Two click we had to do. Come to the next tab, ma. Here only format is there, shape fill is there. You can change the color whichever you want. Like this. Or else you can go for the picture. I'll show you that later picture. The gradient is there. The color combination you can apply. So only two colors. No, you go for better, more gradients. If you go for gradient fill, you can give the colors, many colors you can apply. For this first point, I am going to give some the color. The second gradient point, I'll be going to choose this color. The third one, this color. Okay. Then you close it. See, multiple colors are showing. So how the multiple colors will display from which option? More gradient from here. The variations how you want, you can change it now. See, from corner, from center. I'll take this. See, like this. So now just click on outside. See now. everything will be showing one color, but Germany it's showing multiple colors because we have applied gradient. Again, double click on Germany. Again, come to the texture. See, paper bag is there. You can apply white marble is there, brown marble, green marble. I'll take it in now, brown marble. See. So now is it possible to change like this? The pattern, the texture, the color, the gradient. So these things can be applied for the chart. So now Italy is the highest population in the country. For this, I should be put it the what is that Italy flag. So that's why I'm going to download one flag from the Google. Open the Google now. Italy, Italy flag you give in the Google. Go to images. You'll get more images. Hmm. I'll take I'll take this. So how to download this image? We need to right click on this image, save image as, save image as. For example, I want to download in the desktop. Just click on save button. See girls, here left side down, it is downloaded in the which format? JPG format. This item means this image, it is downloaded in the which format? JPG format. Now you can close the Google after downloading. See. Again, double click on Italy. Double click on Italy. Hmm. Come to the format, shape fill. There is an option picture. Click on the picture from a file. From a file, I kept it in where I kept on the desktop. Select the location desktop. It is in desktop, girls. Select the image, insert it. See, see, girls. So this is what the chart. So what type of chart is this? Tell me. Put it in the chat box, girls. What type of chart is this? First, put it in the chat box. What type of chart today I taught in the class for you? Good tree map.
Three months.
Mm-hmm. Correct. Suraksha. Good. Okay. So you understood, no? And then one more thing. Go to the again chart design. I show you, no, this one to change the styles. If you want to change the styles, you can apply these things. Yeah. The next one is what? Pie chart. I'm explaining for you. Pie chart. Simala Food Privated Limited. You have some data in the January, in the February, March, and April. We have sold the items of Kisan Jam, Choco Chips, Kurkure Lays, Milky Bar Content, Dairy Milk. These are the items we have sold in January, February, March, April in my business. Okay. So now I should be find out which product is the highest, in which month the sales are highest. Is it possible to find out that from the chart? Yes, of course. So you have to select the data first. You need to go for insert tab for the chart. The circle one is there, no? That is what? The pie chart. So 3D pie is there, no? That one I am going to take. Select the 3D pie. Hmm. Girls, but I don't want this color, ma. I should be change the theme. I won't like this color. I don't want this type of color. Go to page level, the themes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am, can you go a little slow, please?
yeah, yeah. Okay. Go to themes. If you want to change the color, go to themes and then select the designs. Which designs you want to select it. Okay. So this is the circle one is what? Pie chart. In the January, can you tell me now? The blue is which what is that? Which product? This color is which product? This gray color one is which product? Can you tell me? In the January, which items is highest sales? Which item is highest sales we have made the January? See this legend entry. The down. The legend entries are there. No, you see that and then find out. If it is difficult to find out, girls, click on the chart, go to chart design. So there will be like this. Now you tell me which is the highest sales in the
Next,
January. Which product is highest sales?
lace.
Lace. Okay. You have to see the percentage. Then you have to find out. Uh, See the percentage there. 30. What is that? 3%, 25%, 9%, and then you having 31 percentage. So you told me the
Dynamite.
lace is highest. So you have to find out properly. The dairy milk is the highest sales we have made in the January month. So now it's showing you month and then means product wise you people are observing now I'm going to interchange the data to the rows and columns. How you are going to interchange the rows and columns? So we need to click on switch rows and column. Just you click on girls. See, it is interchanged. Now you people are observing in the legend entry month wise. The earlier, the previous, you people are observing product wise. See, now it is showing you product wise. If you want to interchange of this, you had to click on switch rows and columns. See now the thing how it's showing for you. It is showing you now month wise. Can you tell me which month is the highest sales? Jan, Feb, March, or April? Which month? So the gray color one is the no that is 80% is there. The speech color one 7%.
April.
This one 5, and then this one. The gray is April month. April month is the highest sales you have done.
Ma'am, the
However,
colors
you
are
want
not so visible.
what ma?
The colors weren't
Hmm,
so visible.
not visible properly.
Hmm.
Again, you click, then go to change the colors.
Can you
This
just
color is
come
okay.
again? Can you just come again, ma'am, with the thing what you just said? The
The
Jan
themes
and the
one.
Kisan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go to the page level. Come to the page level. Then you select whichever you want. Which one is visible for you? You tell me. This is okay. This is okay, I think. Or girls, you can go for the colors. Yeah, there is a lot of color patterns are there. Whichever you want to select it. The first one only I'll take. This will be easy to tell for you. Green, blue, orange, gray. Okay, right. And then the next thing is what? See now, at a time, you people are observing 1 month of records or every month's records it showing for you. Which month records you people are observing on the chart? Which month, ma? January. You click. So here only, you place the cursor on the chart on the right side. This funnel is there, no? For that funnel, we need to tell chart filters. We need to click on chart filters. Here we had to click on February. Click on apply. See which month records it's showing on the chart. February. Just click on the March and then click on apply. Which month ma? This one data it is showing. At a time we can't view all months together. We in the pie chart we need to check one by one. That's it. All together we can't see. We have to see only one at a time. So April 1, select the April, then apply. See this is what the April 1, April month. I'm going to take March and then apply. So March month we can see at a time. So understood how to select the what is that? The months, the product. From where you want to select this? How you are going to check it out?
Go to insert, then add the pie chart, then in page layout,
I that much
you
procedure I don't want. Just you tell me the simple. Just place the cursor on the chart, right side. Funnel is there, no? What that is that option? Funnel option. Chart
add
filter. You need to
filters.
click on chart filter to select the series. Which series you want, you should select. Jan, Feb, March, April. Which series you want, you have to choose it. You have to select it. Okay. For example, Jan month and then you select it and then apply it. Okay. The April one you select and then apply like this. You got it? No, the categories also you can highlight from like this, or any items if you want to hide the categories. For example, the jam I don't want, the lace I don't want. See, just hidden this, then apply. See, the thing it's showing only 1, 2, 4 items. Only 4 items are showing on the screen. You can see the thing in the legend entry. You got it, girls? What I told? Understood? No? Or else click
Yes,
on
ma'am.
select
Yes,
all,
ma'am.
then all categories will be going to display and then take the February month and then apply it. So what you people, sorry, one item is unselected. Click on the funnel again. Sorry, your Kisan Jam I had not selected. Lists are not selected. Select all items, apply it, then click on outside. See, this is what the February month. This is the February month. So these are the products we have made the sales. So if it is looking circle, this is what kind of chart? This is pie chart. And then what about this, the down one? This is a tree map chart.
Tree map chart, ma'am.
Yeah, I think this thing will be going to ask in the practical. So get ready for this. Once you sit and practice, prepare the data yourself. You can put it data whatever you want. You can prepare the data yourself and then plot like this. Actually, there are so many type of charts are there. These are the charts are available. Column, line, pie, bar chart are very important for you. Column, line, pie, bar charts are very important.
Okay, ma'am.
Tree map chart, that is also. So I hope girls today's class you understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubts in the today's session?
No,
From
ma'am.
tomorrow the classes will be going to take in the teams only. Today one day you adjust it, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
From today
Ma'am,
there will
only
be no
tomorrow
doubt.
will be online, no, ma'am?
Tomorrow it's Friday, online. Saturday will be offline.
Okay. Ma'am, assignment in what we should write, like in blue book or in sheet of paper?
Uh, girls, for one more batch, professional batch, tally also completed, right? For you,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Tally is
ma'am, it's
completed.
completed. But
tally and Excel.
we need to know
Hmm.
what will be there for the tally practical exam.
Okay, one file I'll send you. I'll share in the group for your CR. I'll be going to send it. In that assignment, there will be tally questions also, and then Excel questions also will be there. Okay, tally Excel both it will be there, girls. Actually, by mistakenly I sent only Excel assignment. So what should I want to do means I should send it both for you.
Okay, ma'am.
Hey, for you it is assignment marks. Excel separate, tally separate. It is there.
No, ma'am. Totally 10 marks, ma'am. We don't know about separate. We have Practical separate 10 marks, but assignment we
No,
don't have idea, ma'am.
you don't have idea. So no separate assignments for Excel and Tally.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Hmm. Okay, I'll send one more
Ma'am,
file
in
in
what
that.
we should write, ma'am?
Yeah, now I'll send it. The one more file I'll send it by 6:30. In that file, you people having both the questions will be there. Tally, Excel, both questions will be there for you. You write it that one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Hmm?
in what should we write? In paper sheets or blue
In
book,
the
ma'am?
A4 sheet, not in the blue book. You have to write it in the A4 sheet only.
Okay, ma'am.
In the A4 sheet, you have to write it, the assignment, and then the assignment should be on Saturday. The Saturday is the submission is the last date for you.
Okay, ma'am.
Without fail, you have to give it on Saturday in the offline classes for 10 marks. Tally and Excel
Ma'am,
both.
we had another assignment, no, that we have to email by 6 today.
That one just I told for practicing. That's all. That will be
So
helpful
it's
for
not
the
an
practical
assignment
for some.
assignment.
No, for that
So
one,
if
no
we
marks
don't
for you.
email it
Just
by 6, is it fine?
yeah. Just I told you for practicing for your practical exams. That's it. Whatever now writing assignment I'm sending for that you have 10 marks. It's clearly it's. Is
Oh,
there any doubts now? Any doubts you have? It's clear no now.
Yes, ma'am. It is clear now.
Mm. So whatever the assignments, I'm going to send it again. The writing assignment for that you having 10 marks. Tally and then Excel both for 10 marks writing. You should write it only in the A4 sheet. It's clearly understood. You got it, no? What I told?
Yes, ma'am. Got it, ma'am.
Yeah. So girls, you have to answer for the attendance. Professional batch.
Yes, ma'am.
Harshita 902. 9 2
Ma'am,
2
she's present. She's not able to
3.
answer.
Oh, okay. 3 3. Even you can people can
Ma'am,
answer in the chat box. Hmm. Hmm. Tell me, ma.